Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your messaging app and going straight to the three-dot menu, tap Settings. Once there, confirm this app is the default SMS handler so changes take effect. Make sure you note your Android version because settings labels differ. This helps you follow later steps without guessing. Now locate the SMS or text messages section. This is where delivery reports, SMS limits, and number options live. Doing this first saves time and prevents changing the wrong app. Once in SMS settings, tap Advanced to reveal delivery reports, the SMS service center number, and message limits. You enable delivery reports to confirm sends, disable them if you prefer privacy or saving data. Change the SMS limit if you want fewer stored messages per thread, which helps storage. If your carrier supports RCS chat, toggle that setting to use rich features or turn it off to force standard SMS for compatibility. Make adjustments consciously so you know why each option matters. After making changes, save where prompted, exit settings, and send a quick test message to confirm behavior. If messages fail or settings don't apply, clear the messaging app cache and data or reset app preferences. Then restart the phone because that often resolves background service issues. If you still see delivery errors or wrong SMS center numbers, contact your carrier. They can push correct settings or update the SMSC. Remember, one quick restart often fixes many common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.